Today, we're reinstalling a set of lockable roof rack crossbars for the 2014-2023 Jeep Cherokee. As you can see, this vehicle has a raised roof rail, so the crossbars use a clamp-on design. Open the package. Inside, you'll find the instruction manual and a hardware kit. The hardware kit includes the installation tool, keys, and spare screws. There is a right label here. This is the left label. This is the rear crossbar. Make sure the arrow on the label points in the installation direction. This is the front crossbar. Make sure it's facing the correct direction. First, remove the screws from the aluminum crossbars. The sides of the aluminum crossbars are curved. Make sure the wider side faces forward. This aerodynamic design helps reduce wind noise. Do not fully tighten the screws. Unlock all the locks on the base feet. Loosen the screws on the 4 base feet. When installing the aluminum crossbars, make sure the front and rear are installed correctly, or you may get a lot of wind noise. Okay. Make sure the rubber pad fits perfectly against the vehicle's roof rail. Okay.